Oops. It seems like luck wasn't on our side with the screen recorder, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Despite the hiccup, I've completed all the illustrations, and we're ready to dive back in. Today, we're focusing on creating a captivating flat character illustration. Follow along closely as I guide you through each step, ensuring you can recreate this masterpiece with ease. So, without further ado, let's jump right back into it. Remember to pay close attention to the details and techniques shared in the video. And hey, if anything seems unclear or you have questions along the way, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. Your feedback and engagement are invaluable. Let's make some magic happen, together. Hey there, fellow creators. Let's take a moment to talk about something important, our journey as artists. I know it can be tough sometimes. We face challenges, setbacks, and moments where we feel like throwing in the towel. But here's the thing, every great artist, every master of their craft, started exactly where we are right now. Think about it, the icons we admire, the artworks that inspire us, they all began with a single brushstroke, a single click of the mouse, just like what we're doing today. So, let's embrace this journey. Let's embrace the process of learning, growing, and evolving as artists. Because with each stroke of the pen, each layer we add, we're not just creating art, we're sculpting ourselves into the artists we aspire to be. Sure, there will be moments of frustration, moments where we feel like we're not making progress. But remember this, every stroke, every click, every mistake is a stepping stone towards greatness. So, let's not be discouraged by the challenges we face. Instead, let's see them as opportunities to learn, to improve, and to become the best artists we can be. Together, let's unleash our creativity, let's push our boundaries, and let's create something truly remarkable. Because the world is waiting to see what we can do. Are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Let's do this.